Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to understand the demonstration of social distancing detection using deep learning algorithm. So as far as the social distancing is concerned, it is very much important in terms of the COVID-like situation where we should ensure that the people are maintaining the social distancing so that the spread of COVID can be controlled. Now for this purpose, we are using YOLO version 3 algorithm, which is the deep learning algorithm for detection of the objects and the people. And then we are going to use the Euclidean distance formula to calculate the distance between the two people. And based on that, we will analyze whether they are under risk or not. So this is the paper supporting the idea. This is all about the algorithm for the object detection. We are only interested in the human detection, and then this is the Euclidean formula which calculates the distance between the two objects or the two people, and based on that we can estimate like this, and we will be finding out whether they are uh, under the risk or not, something like this. We are going to find out where somebody is under risk or not. We will be using live CCTV footage, or any other real-time camera can also be used for the system. Now coming back to the implementation part, this is the complete code for the we will run this code first. So this is the Python implementation of this. Now first of all, the video I have provided. Now this is the we need to select the area of interest first of all. So from this point to this point, and from this point to this point, so under this rectangle we will have to find out. And secondly, in order to calibrate the distances, because we should define how much is the 2 meters. So this is the center point, so this is horizontally 2 meters, then we can consider this is vertically 2 meters. So like that, we need to one more time we will have to select the coordinates. Now from this point to this point, this is our area of interest we can consider. Then we can plot one point over here, and this is what we can say, it's a 2 meters, and then this is vertically 2 meters. So this distance is 2 meters we are saying vertically on this particular video frame. So now with this we will be able to run the software, and then now it's already running, but we can type localhost colon 5000 in order to run. So we'll close this window. Now basic security is provided. Admin is the username and password. So for the those who are monitoring the system, they can log in with this admin username. And now the real-time video streaming is happening. Now you can say these are the people are under risk. Here again they are under risk, and these are the four people under, five people under risk, zero people under low risk, and the safe people are two people are safe. So with this we can calculate whether they are violating the social distancing rules or not, and based on that we can uh, count how many people are safe, how many people are not safe, how many are under major risk, how many are under minor risk. So that way we will be calculating, and we will be showing here. Now for this purpose we are using some image processing plus the deep learning algorithm. So that's all about the implementation of this project. In case you need the complete code of this project along with its documentation and other stuff, then you can check out the description box under this video. Thank you.